Hey everyone, want to create a catchy kids song that your little ones will sing all day? With Skywork's AI, you can turn any idea into a fun, educational tune in seconds, no music skills needed. Whether it's brushing teeth, learning animals, or picking up a new language, this tool makes it easy. Can it really make a song your kids will love? Stick with me, and I'll show you how to create a tune that'll have them dancing and singing in no time. Ready to make some music? Let's get started. So, simply click the link in the description below and sign up with your Google or Apple account, whichever you prefer. After a few quick steps, you'll be on Skywork's clean and simple interface, where the fun begins. Let's test it by typing single prompt in prompt section. Here I'm typing, write a song for a 4-year-old about brushing teeth in English. Let's see what this amazing AI tool can do with that. And here it is. Skywork just generated a full song with lyrics and music. Let's listen to a preview.
In the morning when you wake up bright, grab your toothbrush, it's time to get uptight. Brush, brush, brush your teeth, up and down, clean them right. Brush, brush, brush your teeth, up and down, clean them right.
Wow, that's so catchy. What do you think? Would your kids sing this? Drop a comment. Honestly, I think they'd totally enjoy it. It's so fun and easy for kids to sing along. It has a catchy, upbeat vibe that makes brushing teeth feel like a game instead of a chore. Skywork really nailed it. Kids will be humming it all day long. The chorus is great for getting kids excited about brushing regularly, and I'm sure parents will love that. It's educational, but it feels like a fun time, not a boring lesson. And on the top, the music is equally impressive. It's cheerful, lively, and perfectly suited for a child's attention span. The best part? Skywork provides both the lyrics and the MP3 file of the song, making it super easy for parents, teachers, or creators to use it right away. Just download it, and you're good to go. I know you're already impressed with the results, but Skywork isn't just limited to English. It can generate songs in any language. So imagine you're teaching kids in Japanese, and you want them to learn about animals through a fun song. You can simply describe it like this. Write a song for kids about learning animals in Japanese. Check it out. How cool is that? Whether you're teaching kids around the world or you're a bilingual family, Skywork's multilingual song generation ensures that everyone can enjoy these educational tunes. This technology is more than just a fun toy. It has so many creative uses for both creators and educators. If you're teaching kids about numbers and letters, just prompt Skywork to create a song tailored to those topics. You can then play the song in class, making the learning experience more interactive and fun. If you're a YouTuber, here's the amazing news. You can skip the hassle of hiring musicians or writing lyrics yourself. Just type in your prompt, and Skywork instantly creates a full song. It's that easy. In minutes, you'll have fun, educational videos like ABC songs or dance songs for kids. No stress, just awesome content. And if you're looking to make family time more exciting, create a personalized song for your child's birthday or a family event. You can even turn everyday routines, like getting dressed, eating dinner, or introducing family members into catchy songs that make those moments way more fun for the little ones. Let's try one more. How about a song for a 3-year-old about introducing family members in German?
Mama, Mama, das ist Mama, Mama. Mama ist gut. Papa, Papa, das ist Papa. Papa, Papa ist gut.
This is next level. I'm absolutely blown away by the amazing results. I always read the comments, so let me know, what kind of family song would you make? Ready to create your own kids' songs in just minutes? Click the link below to try Skywork now. After signing up, you'll be able to craft epic kids' songs in seconds. And that's not all. Be sure to check out my video on VideoInu, where I walk you through the entire process of creating animated 30-minute children's stories. Trust me, it's a total game changer. Get started now and bring your creative ideas to life.